Hello and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Turrella on a T2 Airport and East Hills line. Departing on platform number 1 we have Waratah A18. Now departing platform number 1 for a City Circle Fire Airport service, stopping at Walleye Creek, then all stations to the City Circle Fire at the airport. Waratah set A18. We should have a Waratah past us on the outer track just over here for a City Circle service. A15 is set. Waratah A48 now departing platform number 2 for a Reesby service. This train will be stopping at Bardwell Park, followed by Bexley North, Kingsgrove, Beverly Hills, Narwee, Riverwood, Padstow and Reesby. A48 is the set. Next up is Bardwell Park. We have a Millennium train arriving on platform number 1 at Turrella for a City Circle service, stopping at Walleye Creek, then followed by International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central and a City Circle. M29 being the front 4 cars. Rear 4 cars, I'll tell you in a few moments. M29 and friend now departing platform number 1 City Circle via Walleye Creek service. Rear forecast is M-set is M18, stopping at Walleye Creek, then International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. A fun fact about Turrella Station: Turrella has the colour-coded station signs. Green represents you on the East Hills line, and we are currently 8.586 kilometres from Central. We have another Waratah, this time passing platform number 1. A64 is set. Next stop is Walleye Creek, then International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central and the City Circle. We have an S-set approaching on platform number 1 at Turrella for a City Circle via Walleye Creek service, stopping at Walleye Creek. Then all stations to Central, followed by the City Circle. S145 is the front 4 cars. Stopping at Walleye Creek, then followed by International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. S145 was the front 4 cars. And the rear forecast, this lovely S-set is S65. And here's the overview of Turrella Station. We should have a Waratah pulling in on platform number 2 for a Reesby service, stopping at Bardwell Park and all stations to Reesby. A34 is the set. This Waratah will be stopping at Bardwell Park, then following by Bexley North, Kingsgrove, Beverly Hills, Narwee, Riverwood, Padstow and Reesby. Waratah A34, now departing platform number 2, Breesby service. This train will be stopping at Bardwell Park, then followed by Bexley North, Kingsgrove, Beverly Hills, Naree, Riverwood, Padstow and Reesby. Waratah set is A34. We should have an M set passing platform number 1 at Turrella for a City Circle service. M12 front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars is M3. Next stop is Walleye Creek. Waratah A72, now departing platform number 1 for a City Circle Fire Airport service. This train will stop at Walleye Creek, then following by International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. Waratah set A72. At Turrella, they are middle of rolling out these brand new Opal top-up and single trip ticket machines. We have another Waratah that's not stopping, Kingsgrove service, A46 is set. And another Waratah not stopping on platform number 1 for a City Circle service. A26 is a set. Should have a Waratah arriving on platform number 1 for a City Circle service stopping at Walleye Creek, followed by International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central and a City Circle. A48 is a set. I may not film the whole train as I do not want to get the guard on video. We should have another S set passes on the outer track. S100, the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars is S53. We should have a 8-car Millennium train operating in express service to Campbelltown. Sorry, express service to close Macarthur, setting to M20 front 4 cars. Rear 4 cars M6. We should have another Waratah arriving on platform number 1 for a City Circle Fire the Airport service. This train will be stopping at Walleye Creek, then followed by International Airport, Domestic Airport, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. A34 is the set. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.